everybody, Sharon back. I have another video, another photo album that I've done. I really did a lot on this album, so I will tell you what I did. I bought these kind of flowers right here at Michael's, and I put some of them together to make flowers. And this is what I came up with on some of them. These stamens, I pull them through so you can see the back of them here. And so, yeah. And they were a little flimsy, you know. So I ended up putting this diamond glaze on a lot of them. This stuff is really good, and it reminds me a lot of glossy accents. So this I really like too, and it hardens up the flowers a little bit. And then on some of the flowers, I put a layer of the diamond glaze, and then this diamond dust. Let me open it here so you can see what it's like. German glass, and this is clear. I got this off this big tub off of Amazon, the diamond dust. So, and it's 14 ounces, and I got it for a really good price. Can't remember what I did, but yeah. So these flowers right here, they're Prima flowers, and I got those at Hobby Lobby. These flowers right here, got from Wild Orchid Crafts, and this butterfly I made with the flowers that I got here, and the stamen, and then I had some Swarovski crystals that I put down, and then you can see I used that German glass glitter. So on that, this I also got from Hobby Lobby. No, Michael's. Sorry. And this just has the diamond glaze and all these. And here's the diamond glaze. See, it looks really good, and it's just like glossy accents. So, but yeah, this is the place where they got married. So yeah, this was a custom album, and another butterfly. Now on the side here, I did some lace and some scrunched up seam binding, and I took some like 2-inch lace and each side overlapped it, and the end came together like that. I think it turned out really pretty. And here's the top of it, and here's the back with a little bit of sparkle in it. Okay, and a tie closure. Okay, and also, before I open it, I got, this is the same lace that I used right here, and you can see it's white. Well, they wanted a certain color, a pinkish, purplish color. So I looked for that kind of lace, really couldn't find any. I found a couple things, but they were very expensive. So I got this Seedless Preserves Distress Spray Stain by Tim Holtz. But it was really dark, like dark. And I didn't want it dark. So what I ended up doing was getting a little spray bottle and putting some rubbing alcohol, some 99 isopropyl alcohol in there, and doing a few sprays of this in there. And I got a cardboard box and put the lace on the box because I needed something absorbent, but not that it would just sit in the liquid. I didn't want to ruin any clothes or towels or anything, so I just put the lace on the cardboard box and sprayed, and I did several laces, and it turned out really good. As you can see, and here's another piece of that. And if I wanted it a little bit darker, I went and after it was dry, I did another layer. As you can see, it's a little bit different, so worked out great. And you can see that I also got this off of Amazon, and that ink, it turned out really good, so I couldn't be happier. So and the other things I used in this album, of course, are glitter glue, Beacon Fabri-Tac, my arsenal of double-sided adhesive. I do use a 2-inch. I use that usually on the cover. And for the spine, I did use Tyvek. I always use Tyvek on my spine so that it will stay together. And of course, I used some silver stickles and diamond. And let's see, that was my dog. And this, it's something pink taffeta, I think it is called. So, alright, I think that's everything that I used on here. I hope. The paper collections, I got the Stampera, however you say that, wedding thing, and some other, the only thing I could really find that kind of went with the pinkish purple theme. So, I think now we are ready to open it. Okay, let me move this stuff out of the way. Okay. So here is from this white paper and stuff is from the Stampera. Okay, and you can see I did the silver stickles all around here. And on the dress, on the flowers, I did some of that diamond glaze. If you have glossy accents, it does the same thing. So, just gives a little dimension. Here, I did that butterfly. I used the diamond glaze plus the German glass glitter. This opens up for photos, so you can put a photo here, photo here, photo here. If you want, you could put a little photo here and more of the diamond glaze. And here's another one of those flowers that I made. So this right here is a Prima butterfly, and another one of these flowers, and more diamond glaze. I did some diamond stickles around here. It opens up. Some more of that lace. Here we have some pictures, and you can put a nice big photo here. Here is a couple things you can write or put a photo, whatever you want. And I used, for the pocket, I did some acetate, clear acetate, with some lace on it and a line of silver stickles. And, you know, on here you can put some pictures on the side too. So, lots of fun on this page and a pullout. I just did white, and I did ink with the same stuff. I put it into a pad and distressed it with that. But there's that side. And then this side is, I just did the diamond glaze right here. And this opens up like that. And here is that pink taffeta stickles around the edge. And that purple paper came with these little pink crystals in it, and I thought that was really cute. But I only used it for like the outside, to where there wouldn't be like any pictures mashing. So, and then another booklet. So lots of room for photos. Lots of room. And here I have a little tag. And you put a picture here if you want, picture here if you want. These can come off, but why? I don't know. And I put some bling just to make this side pop with a lace that I alcohol inked, a photo mat, just a large tag to do some writing on, or a photo. Opens up. I thought that was really pretty. This is glitter paper that the glitter won't come off, so you can journal, picture. I can leave that plain or put a picture there, another picture. And this right here is some vellum paper. And here's one of those flowers that I alcohol inked. And another pullout for photos, stories, whatever. So, and then this side, photos, and I love this saying. That's cute. Another bling, lace, another flower, and I put 3 flat back pearls on it with some diamond glaze, and it opens up a tag. This tag is glued on, but you can see you can put a picture here, and then that can go on it. So, and then here, this is a belly band with this saying. I thought it was very cute and very sweet and tender. Aww. And here, this is a brad, and this is some just plain vellum paper, and it twists. So if you want, you can put a picture here. I'm not. Put a picture here, and more sparkles. Who doesn't love a good sparkle? Oh, and this is a tag up here, a large one. So you can put pictures. You can put picture, write about it, or more pictures, whatever you want to do. Okay, and here is the pool waterfall. Waterfall. I can't talk in the mornings. Another one that I did, the German glass glitter. I did it to make these flowers extra hard because of the pages mashing together. I didn't want them to be all matted down and gross, so yeah, did that. Another pull out here. And the pullouts, I did a Martha Stewart punch, and it's this one right here. Okay, and here I have a skeleton leaf that I stickled with diamond stickles. Another flower, but this was full concentrate this, so it was really dark, so I rinsed it out and dried it, and a little bit was left, and it gave a cool effect. You can still see some of the white in there. A little bit of the diamond glaze. You can see it right there, just to give it some little accents throughout. Some more lace that I alcohol inked. And here we have room for more pictures. So photos. And another tag. And here is the other vellum paper with more writing on it. Nope. Okay, and here is the end. So you could just, you know, fill this whole page with a story or put pictures on it, whatever you want to do. Little diamond glaze on here. And this one I did with the diamond glaze plus the German gloss. So, and on this one I did use white lace and some Swarovski crystals. Alright, and that is the book. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this album. If you have any questions on what I did or want to see what I did, please leave a comment below. Hit that subscribe button. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. And as always, happy crafting. Later.